Mexican engineers at its finest.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
So guys, welcome to another video, and today we're putting this back into the car. So right now Christian's just installing the APR struts. So yeah, let's go check this out. Right now Christian's just putting these on, and after that, what else we're gonna do?
The gasket on.
The gasket. He put the head on. Put the head on. No, we gotta put those return springs.
Return springs?
Yeah, the piston return springs. Gotta order those. Alright, so Christian is gonna put the head gasket on right now. It's getting trapped right here. The headers. So head gasket is already on. And now the heaviest shit we gotta put on. And we're just waiting for Ricky to give us a little hand. So yeah. That's how you get a dowel pin with a wrench and a screwdriver. Alright, so yeah, yesterday Christian pretty much already gassed out, put all the gasket that needed to be on the head, even the sensors, everything. We're reusing the sensors, so it's not big of a deal. But yeah, so everything's all good on the the head, and everything's already timed up. So we're just waiting for Ricky to help us out if he does come. So yeah, Ricky just got here. I don't know why he's parking over there. There's a fire extinguisher. You know that's illegal parking over there, right? You know that's illegal, right?
You?
No, bitch. There's a fire extinguisher right there.
I am the fire station.
Cállate. No, I was calling you. If you had a what?
Quarter inch to whatever it is, 3/8 adapter.
Oh, I don't have any adapters.
No. No, I gotta go then to the store to get an adapter.
What?
Yep. Alright, son. Yeah. Don't put it backwards anyway.
This way?
No, the other way.
Wait, I'm confused. Is it going in this way or the other way?
Like this. Just be careful with the middle because these valves are open.
The middle ones.
Those ones?
Oh shit, we gotta take the fucking tissue off.
Take it out.
Fuck. Son of a bitch, I can't reach. We need those compression return springs. The piston return springs.
Wait, are we flipping it over?
No. Like this.
You gotta put an angle. Oh yeah, the freaking chain, Christian. Wait, I'm gonna get the chain. Got it. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera. It just fell on the side, right?
Huh?
It just fell right
Yeah.
now on the side.
Alright, leave it.
Fuck.
Yeah, I left it.
Oh, you
That's
did?
why I put it this way.
Oh. It's hard, huh? Get like a screwdriver para que se caiga, ¿no?
in your house, bro.
I know.
Twice.
Twice, wait. Hey, so what happened, Christian, right now? Fucking machine shop, what they did?
They fucked up.
They fucked up.
Forget about that shout out.
Weapon?
Forget about that shout out.
Yeah, forget about that shadow then. They flipped the cam trace backwards. They put it in the wrong side. That's why we can't even get the studs in the fucking in the car. So right now, Christian's we're gonna remove the cams, pretty much everything from the cams and everything. So yeah, damn Ricky. So that's why we're struggling to put the bolt on because the
Well, I mean,
cams.
I'm pretty sure these ones, they go this way because the thing's right there. And then for this one, I think
Where's the opening on this one?
the
No,
opening is
no,
on
this one's on this side. This one's supposed to be on over here.
You see? Yeah. I think this is a minor mistake or big mistake. Either way, we couldn't get the bolts in there. But yeah, now we
I mean,
gotta.
if you're in a rush, it's kind of a big mistake.
Yeah. Well, what was that, Christian?
If you're in America, what is it at here? A is intake and E is exhaust, but in German, E
It's-
is intake.
And A is in the exhaust.
BMW cam, $20.
If I push this in.
It's the valves way. It pushes the valves
It's a
in.
lot of pressure. You can do it.
Alright, remember the lifters are gonna come off once you lift it up.
Oh,
Lifters came off.
oh, Christian.
Doesn't matter, Christian.
Yeah, I'm worried about the valves.
Doesn't matter, Christian.
Ace
It-
a bird.
Kind of does, because
Yeah, I know.
these cylinders are all the way down.
One of them could push down.
Valiendo madre, wey.
See?
Well, at least they're still kind of in place.
Yeah.
Just put this one right here.
Trash can's right there.
Yeah, wait. You can't put them on like that.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just trying to like at least keep it.
I'm gonna just
order.
put them over here on this shit.
Oh, just put them like where they're supposed to go in order.
Good idea, Christian. That's what I was thinking. Guess so. But
God damn, Christian. How much is that? 50?
That's 50. What the fuck?
just keep going.
Check, double check.
That's 50, right?
No, 50's up there.
15 and 0. Because right here it'd be
15?
51, 52, 53, 54, 55.
Oh yeah. You're at
50.
50. Yeah.
Yeah, so what the fuck? Alright, I guess we're doing 75 now.
See, wait.
Twelve seconds later.
Last one.
Technically, it's not the last one because you still gotta do
Yeah,
it.
for now. Yeah, Christian, you want to take a break?
Christian, fuck it.
Double check.
Christian, you fucking nasty fuck. What's your brother teaching you? She was about to fucking pass out.
75 weight. No mama.
It's not that. It's if something goes wrong.
Fuck it, dude. Oh, yes, se quebró, güey.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, it's that thing?
Yeah.
This was shaking.
Put all the weight training you've been going to, Christian. Come on.
The semester?
Last semester. Oh, shit.
I feel pee.
You felt PE?
No.
Oh wait, I'm like no mamas. You took yoga? Or dance?
I took dance.
Damn. And who's?
It was like a short white dude, man.
I think he got fired.
You think he got fired?
He's not there. There's no short white dude.
It was
No.
he was pretty short. He was wait.
Fuck.
Yeah. That was my coat.
A few inches later.
Just take a break already.
You wanna let you hold the shaft while I torque it, bro?
This thing must. You think? 13. The last one.
Imagine this one just fucking snaps like clean off.
What was
Shit
your last one?
fucking sucks.
Three times, like 3 clicks. Double check.
Oh fuck.
What?
Nah.
Chill, wait, no asustas. Workout, Christian. Who needs
Haven't done that
A-League
shit
business?
since- haven't done that
Christian's
shit
good till
since
next year.
fucking-
What happened?
Haven't worked out like that since last year. Since last
Told you.
semester.
He's good for another year.
That
Whatever he does in the restroom is his own business.
Don't fuck up.
That's not my car. Don't worry.
At least you gotta stretch him out a little bit. Oh,
Oh mother.
Fuck. All right, it's just one.
get a magnet.
Sure? No, it's just another one down. Wait, cabrón, don't pull it out.
Son of a bitch.
No. I think I might have pushed one.
Nah, ya valió madre.
Yep.
Ya se enchó cosa. Gotta redo it again. Round 2, Christian. On the exhaust.
No, this is it's intake, dude.
Alright, there we go. Yeah. Easier, huh?
Everything just explodes.
Boom.
I hope so.
Ah, my
Hear
god.
about my car?
6.5 hours later.
Alright, so probably we're gonna continue this until next week. Cause something just happened. Christian, you wanna explain what happened?
Not really.
You don't wanna explain?
Nah.
What the fuck is this? The fuck is this?
That's a bolt.
Not even a fucking bolt, Christian.
It is now.
Well, let me see if I can focus it. Fuck, I can't focus it.
So if you guys know what the torque spec for a cam cap is on a new
The
36,
bearing caps.
I'll put it down in the description or in the comments.
Yeah. Let me see. I can't focus it. There we go. Yeah, Christian kind of cracked, twisted the stud for the cam. So now we gotta wait and order only one. Well, I'm gonna order a few just in case Christian doesn't twist more. But yeah, it broke pretty much. So we'll continue the video probably next week for part 2. But the head is already on, cams, everything. It was a bitch. We thought it was. We
wanna
thought
show
we
them?
could. Huh?
You wanna show it?
It's already in there. It's probably let's just continue with
Basically,
this.
it's not here. That's the important shit.
Yeah, pretty much it's not there no more. So it's already there. It's already installed and everything. So probably we're gonna continue with this part 2 next week. So yeah, I gotta order parts. But
No water pump.
yeah. Oh, but by the way, Christian's saying that if you guys know the torque sequence for a bearing, what was it, cam bearing caps? For it, the torque sequence, let us know because we try to find online, but there's different kinds of.
There's mixed reviews.
There's a lot of mixed reviews, so we're trying to
One
find.
says 11, one says 15, one
15.
says 25 to 30.
Yeah, so who knows?
It's not 25.
But for sure it's not 25. We went to 25, but this happens when you go all the way to 25. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. You want to close it down?